Interning at the United Nations your sophomore year, that will change your life. Many students are drawn to this university because of its global thinking and global impact. Saira is one of them. She's going to tell us how Adelphi has opened the world to her. Let's head to the Nexus building and meet a future leader. Saira, over to you.
Hey, Alex. Growing up in Brooklyn with all the different languages and cultures, I found it fascinating when I couldn't read the storefronts. When I first learned about international relations and coupled with my knowledge of American law classes, I knew exactly why I wanted to learn more. Adelphi offers degrees in political science, international relations, international studies, and languages, arts, and cultures, where you get to pick and choose your concentration. For me, I'm concentrating in the global economy in Asia. You can also go on research abroad, faculty-led study abroad, and just a regular study abroad in countries like Kosovo, Finland, Spain, and Argentina. The LGS program examines international relations and global issues across all types of different scales. We have our unique United Nations Institute of Peace study abroad in Costa Rica, cross-cultural communication programs, and even our food recovery program. Taking advantage of the unique connections that Adelphi has, I was able to intern at the United Nations during my sophomore year. I attended major world conferences such as the United Nations General Assembly, not once, but twice, and the Conference on the Status of Women. Later on in my term, my professor and I shared a virtual stage with ambassadors, Secretary General Antonio Guterres, and former Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. I was even interviewed for a global Zoom audience during the United Nations special event, the Concert for the World We Want. Currently, I intern at a grassroots organization, and while maintaining membership in a variety of clubs, I am also conducting COVID-19 inequality research with 2 professors right here on campus. Now, how's that for a senior year? Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Saira, for showing us how your passion for international relations and the Livermore Global Scholars Program is helping you have an unforgettable college experience. Adelphi is helping students take a deep dive into politics in a rapidly changing world. Saira, I know you're going to make the world a better place, and we all very much appreciate it. Take care.